Okay, so for your single replacement reactions, I've got in these wells, I've got zinc, copper, and lead going all the way across. I'm not doing the aluminum ones because remember in class they just weren't working with what we were doing. So if you have questions about the aluminum ones, you can come in and ask, but they all should have worked. So all I'm going to do is expose all of these guys to the different compounds. It's hydrochloric acid too. And just get them going. So for zinc, we'll do all of them with, we'll do the first ones with lead. So just enough to really kind of cover them. And you see almost immediately the reaction begins occurring. With copper, not a whole lot happens. Then I'm going to do hydrochloric acid. And the hydrochloric acid will be on all three of them. And then copper sulfate, which is the blue solution, will go on all of them but the copper. And silver nitrate goes on all of them. And you can see almost immediately they begin reacting. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, zinc. There. On all of the blank ones, copper's going to get some zinc, and lead's going to get some zinc. So you can see here the reactions that are occurring. Zinc has reacted on everything but the hydrochloric acid, and if you were to look at it from the bottom, which I can't tilt this up to look at it from the bottom, you can kind of start to see some of the bubbles forming from the hydrochloric acid, but zinc reacted on all of them. It reacted on the lead, on the hydrochloric acid, on the copper sulfate, and especially you can kind of, looks like almost mold growth growing on the zinc here. That's silver deposits. If we were to able to like flake that off, you would see that it's actually really kind of sparkly and kind of pretty in spite of the fact that it does kind of look like mold. With the coppers, it looks like, let's see, the hydrochloric acid is no reaction. Looks like here I believe this is lead. No, this is zinc nitrate, no reaction. And with the lead, there does look to be a little bit of a small reaction, not a big reaction, but maybe something small, indicating that the copper and the lead are really close to each other on the activity series. And then, of course, with the silver, we have a very, very big reaction. Silver must be very low on the activity series because it's even possible to replace copper with silver. Coming over here, this was the lead with the zinc, and we do have a nice little reaction there. We've got some zinc growing on the lead. This was the lead with the hydrochloric acid. Again, not a lot of a reaction here. I'm guessing if I were to look at it from the bottom, we got a few bubbles. Oh, look, there's the bell. We got a few bubbles, but not a lot that I would really count anything. Very little reaction with the copper sulfate. In fact, hardly any reaction at all. So lead must be very close to copper on the activity series list. But then yet again, a big giant reaction with the silver nitrate because silver is so low on the activity series list. So here's the results from your single replacement reactions. If you have any questions, just come on in and ask.